Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Continuing on in our dollar store series of videos, or budget camping series of videos, I've got dollar store chocolate chip muffin mix. I'm going to bake this in my Goodwill pot, and what I've got on the bottom is, if I can fish it out, I've got this little steamer rack which I'm going to use to elevate my muffin and turn this whole thing into basically an oven. Now I've had a lot of questions about where I get these racks from, and I get these at Asian markets. This is like $1.29. It just happened to fit in there perfectly. Look at that. Couldn't have asked for any better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up. I've got my enamel bowl, so I'm going to mix up the muffin mix, and then I'm going to bake it in foil, which is a dollar store foil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it around a bowl, actually my cup here. I'm going to form it around the cup and then fill it up and then bake it in the, I guess I could use the water bottle too. Even though this is a little bit wider, but I can just adjust, I guess. So here's the foil. I just got a sheet. So if you don't have access to one of these little grills, I suppose you could just take 3 rocks and put them in there, or just take 3 squares of foil and just ball them up and just drop one on each side, which I might do that again next time just to show you. But I'm gonna stir my lunch real quick. I'll bring it back when I tilt the camera down. We'll mix. Alright. What does the amount of water say? How much water do you need? Oh, 1 cup of water. Well, perfect. I have a measuring cup. Ooh, that's a little. I hope this all fits in there. I guess we'll find out. What do you think? Think it's gonna fit? Barely. I probably could have mixed it in a bag, or maybe transferred it to a zip top bag and then mixed it that way. Hey, as long as it works. Yeah. Gotta love how slight stirring kicks out a lot of the powder. That's pretty watery for 1 cup. I gotta move my canteen cup's overboiling. I have a canteen cup cooking video going at the same time, so. Kind of multitasking here. Starting to thicken up. Probably should have put in less water. Whatever, though, as long as it works. Okay. Let's see here. This cup is just a little bit bigger, so what I'm gonna do. Can you see that? Kind of just wrap it around the cup loosely. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna rip the. I'm probably gonna tear the foil apart when I pull the muffin out anyway. So. Oh, there we go. Foil lined. I'm going to add a little olive oil to the bottom because I would like it not to stick. Just kind of, you know, they actually had aerosol. But they actually had spray cans of vegetable oil and whatnot at the dollar store, so you could have picked up a can of that. All right. Put the lid on. Let's get this guy on the fire. Oh no! Crap! Son of a... Son of a bitch. Lost half my lunch. Damn it. Okay, the muffin's been on a little bit, but I want to make sure to turn it so I get a nice even heating. There we go. Don't want it to burn on one. Oh man. Freaking pot tilted. Alright, let's give that muffin a look. It's probably been about 20-25 minutes. But you gotta remember how thick that muffin is. I mean, this mix makes 6 muffins. And I basically have 6 muffins worth all at one time. So yeah, it's really, it actually smells burnt. I can smell the burn. It's really spongy. So yikes. That's not good. I probably should have used only half the batch and just made it smaller because it would have cooked quicker. But if it's a total fail, you know, that's just what happens. You know, that's just how it goes. Yeah, it really smells burnt. So the fact that it's so spongy in the middle, it's nowhere near being done. Far could have been too hot too. So like I said, I have another mix, and if it's a disaster, I mean, I'm only at $1, so. Alright, just tending my fire while I'm not going to add any more fuel, so. That will be it for the day. Alright, let's see if this thing's a smash or pass. Quite honestly, I don't have a lot of faith just because it's been it's so raw. Well, it doesn't look great, that's for sure. We'll let that cool down. And then we'll rip it open and see how bad the damage is. Maybe I can munch on some of the center parts, but yeah, setting it down, I saw the whole thing jiggle. I do have coals left still, but I'm getting kind of feeling like done for the day, so. Alrighty, let's get rid of this view screen. Let's see how this muffin thing turned out. The pan's not too bad. I mean, that'll wash up easy. Something floating around on the bottom. Okay. Well, no, I need the view screen, so I'm gonna tilt you down and take a look. Okay, let's see. Wow, it's just, it's a real mess. It's spongy. Where's my fork? Oh, my spork. Alright. Yeah, it's a disaster. It's barely, it's almost like sponge cake. Not sponge cake, like, I don't think it baked up at all. Even the edges are almost look like it fell. This whole inside is all kind of mushy, and the whole bottom is burnt. Yeah, it's a complete fail. I think it fell too. There's like no part. I guess this part looks kind of done. It doesn't really taste that great either. I mean, I don't know what happened. Well, that's a big fail. What I think what I'm going to do next time is I'm only going to do half the mix, because I think it would come out better. So I spilled half my canteen cup lunch in the fire again. The lemonade was good though. That was out of the park. Alright. Guess I'll clean up, douse my fire.